Hello friends, now we will see data element. In this we will see how to create a data element, how to change a data element, how to delete a data element. Here you can see icons, short key and use. This check it is used for enter key, enter continue. It is used for control S save, back, exit system task, cancel. This button is used for print. This is used to find. This button control G is used for continue search. F1 help and I have also displayed some shortcut keys like control D duplicate any line. Here you can see some shortcuts. Now we will see data element. What is data element? So data element specify the semantic information of a table field. Data element, what data element does is it gives the detailed information about fields. In simple words, it gives detailed information about fields. Now in this diagram you can see tables, table field use data element, use domain. Data element use domain to copy data type, length, decimal places, numbers from domain, and table use copy field meaning from data element. Now we will see how to create a data element. Now we will see how to create a data element. Just click on data type, Z element. Now we will create a data element, but first we will create a domain. We can use that domain. So create our first domain, again domain. Now char 3, output line 3, value range F, female, F for female, male, co others. Save it, save, activate. We have created our domain and we have activated it also. Now we'll just copy. Now we'll just copy. Done. Data. Now we'll create our data element. So Z element 1, create data element. Yes, short description. Our first data element. Now domain. The domain which we have created earlier. So just we'll click on field. Now we'll click on field label. In this we have to create short, medium, long and heading, length and field labels. So just customer second 10, again 10, no 15, now 20, information. Just save it, activate it. Done. We have created our data element and in this you can see our object is also activated. Now we will see how to change data element. You just simply click on change, and suppose I have written GN, just T, save it, activate it. We have changed our data element. Now if we want to delete our data element, just simply click on delete. It will show delete Z element 1. So yes, now you can see Z element 1 was deleted. In this we have seen how to create a data element, how to change a data element, and how to delete a data element.